Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I am the owner of PetPeePee. I invented a cleaning process, machine, and cleaning product. The cleaning product is from my hometown, Israel, from the Dead Sea. A special combination of cleaning product that's designed to kill bacteria naturally. Dead Sea, dead, kaput, gone, dead, met. Dead Sea. This cleaning product is eatable, tastes bitter like the Dead Sea. However, it's natural cleaning product that's kill bacteria naturally. Ta-da! Done. And the XpetPee machine that's clean the Oriental rug through. The rug is here, the Dead Sea Minerals here, cleaning product here on the top, the vacuum from here, and the cycle of the product going through the rug, clean the rug to a perfection. So it means the area, then the scrubber, then the steam cleaning, then a dry cleaning, you name it. Try to remove the odor, cannot reach. The vacuum pulled all the water through it, all the cleaner through it. And this is how I flush all the urine crystal completely through the rug. So, when somebody interested to clean his rug because the dog, Pookie, he's urinating on the rug and it smells bad and he cannot take it anymore, and he already tried himself, he bought a Hoover, he steamed the carpet at home, he sent it to a local carpet cleaner, then everybody say he prays about him, and the rug come back again and it still smell, and now the rug laid in the corner of the garage, far away, covered with a blanket, so it's not going to stink the garage completely. So now you're having this kind of rug, then it's a beautiful, like this one, 120 years old, Chinese rug, gorgeous. The same story. It smelled so bad yesterday that the lady cannot stand it anymore. Because the cleaning process that I invented to clean the Oriental rug, I give to my customers 1000% guarantee. No trace of any odor, any, nothing. You don't smell no deodorized, no enzyme, no Febreze, no Estee Lauder, no Chanel 5, none. This is a wool, you smell wool. This is silk, you don't smell any odor. And this is what you're looking for. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. Look at the video. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8x10, will go perfectly into it. pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag, and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.